Alright, so this video is meant to assist you with page 1, factoring by GCF. And so if you recall, factoring by GCF, what we're doing is basically we are going to be kind of thinking of this as undistributing. So we want to take this problem and we want to undistribute. And so what we want to do is we want to pull out in front of the parentheses here what's going to be distributed. And what we're going to distribute is the GCF. So the biggest thing that these two monomials, making up this binomial, have in common. So when we do this, we want to break it down into its individual pieces. So we want to think of the GCF of the numeric portion. So 10 and 15, the biggest thing they have in common is 5. The biggest thing that c to the third and c have in common is a single c. And then the biggest thing that d squared and d to the third have in common is 2 of those d's, so d squared. Now you want to kind of think, filling in the blank, distributing here. What would I need to multiply 5c d squared by, that kind of goes in this blank space here, to get back to that original first term. So it's like kind of like 5c d squared times what is going to get me back to 10c to the third d squared. So I'm going to need a 2 to get back to the 10. I'm going to need c squared, so that now I have c to the third. And I already have d squared, so I don't need to worry about the d's. For the second space here, I kind of want to think again, you're like just undistributing. 5c squared, c d squared times what is going to get me to 15c d to the third. So this is going to be a minus sign because we want to get back to minus 15. So that's going to be a 3 to get back to the 15. C is already taken care of. There's a C here and a C here. And then we need one more D to get back to D to the third. So the answer, final answer would be 5C D squared. There's your GCF out front, your greatest common factor. And then 2C squared minus 3D. There is your answer.